Hey crew, I'm Clint with ATS Diesel. Here today we're going to talk about the VFR for the Dodge. So the VFR series is our new variable geometry turbo that we're finally releasing after years of development. And you know, one of the things, it takes a little bit of time to release something. We try not to be necessarily first to market, but when we do come out with something, it's built with quality and all the design flaws are kind of figured out from the factory stuff, and we really fix it up so we can build something that's going to work. And the name of the game is reliability. So in the VFR series, it's always been a problem with the Dodge from 07 to current is the variable geometry turbo. It's very sticky, the exhaust brake is not reliable, it doesn't necessarily always work, the vanes will hang, they stick, the turbo overspeeds, it surges. It has kind of all these problems. They've gotten a little bit better throughout the years, and you just kind of have to improve on it. So what we did is we took the turbo, which was the basic whole set variable, and we just kind of took it all apart, backed it up, started figuring out what the problems were, and we found a lot of design problems, or a lot of things that we could fix inside the turbo, and that brings us what we have today with our variable series. So first thing we did is really paying attention to materials that it's made out of. The turbine housing now, instead of a gray iron, is made of HSM material, so it resists, it really eliminates any issues with cracking and warping, that kind of thing. The bearing housing also is a high-grade steel or iron, so you're not just dealing with the regular gray iron, it's actually a high silica moly content, so it doesn't warp. And why do that? The big thing is the vanes between it. So you have your vanes, which is a slider ring in this one, and what we've done is we make all the variable vanes. This is a huge increase in quality for this turbo. Is the unison ring is all stainless steel. So now we have all stainless steel components inside this bearing housing, which controls your exhaust brake and positions the vanes so it controls the speed of the turbo, which is controlled by the computer. And of course, the next step is having the actual controller. The controller box is what handles the actuation of the vanes. So brand new controllers on all of our turbo series now. So we have a brand new controller, redesigned rings, the unison rings made of stainless, we have HSM material, and then we're also offering this turbo in 3 different sizes. So we have a stock replacement type, so it's cost effective, so the guys that are, and gals, excuse me, that are higher mileage and they just need a nice factory replacement turbo with a little bit of an upgrade. So the upgrade is going to give you the reliability, no sticky vanes. It's the same compressor and turbine inlet and outlet, so it will be a drop-in replacement and we keep the cost down. All of these turbos are complete drop-in replacements, so they work with full emissions on. Then you can do a small program, still have all your emissions controls in and not have to sacrifice any of the attributes of overheating. So pretty much our new VFR series. We have the Stage 1 available now. So you want to know how to get it, check us out on the website, just atsdiesel.com, or give us a call. Our sales guys can tell you all about it. Come check us out and we'll see if we can get you one on your truck.